How's that supposed to fit?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Fateful Customs. If you're new here, keep watching. If you're not, please subscribe. In today's episode, we're going to work on getting the engine tested for compression. In the previous video, you saw that I was changing the oil pan gasket. Today, I bought a new piece. I'm going to return the old one and we're going to put that in together and we're going to do the compression test and I'm going to show you guys how it's going. We're going to do a dry test, meaning there's going to be no fuel, I think, in the engine, or a wet test, whatever. We're going to test it without pressing the gas. We're just going to start it. We're going to test all individual cylinders to see if there is good compression in each. So let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I just tightened up the bottom. It took me a big minute. So now we're gonna have to tighten this back up and then we can start on taking out the spark plugs, and then I will do the compression test on each cylinder. We're gonna start from here, there, and there. Before we do that, make sure we have no spark plugs inside. They're all in there. So just take out all your spark plugs, and then you don't anything that starts with your ignition. Mine is simple distributor, but whatever. You don't want any ignition part, you don't want any spark to come out. Okay, just keep that in mind. So for this car, we would have to disconnect this right here next to the distributor, and that'll turn off the ignition, so it'll just mechanically spin. So I'm gonna tighten these bolts up and then I'll get to it. Hey guys, so we got the exhaust all bolted up. Now we're going to remove the spark plugs, and then we're gonna put in the compression test. Is there even anything in there? No. There's nothing in there.
2 hours later.
What the heck? Finally. Got another one. Okay, so we got it out. What I'm gonna use is this quick connect compression tester from Harbor Freights. So let's open it up. So we open the box. And we have this. So my understanding is, actually I don't know how to use this. We put this thick all the way here and we just wire it. And like I said, we have to take out the ignition cable. So it's right here. Let me disconnect it. Alright guys, so we disconnected the cable right here. The ignition cable, disconnect it. We're going to connect this to this here. It's a quick release. Oh. Right. There we go. So we're going to clear this out and leave the reading right here. So I'm going to remove all the stuff that's unnecessary here, and then I'm going to start the car.
Rockstar Cobain, Shane stays by plane. All she want is quick fame. Got a rollie with the face, dripping like Selena. Always chiefing on sativa. I don't care about it all. I just hit the pack and go. Look, Tesla skirt, whipping all across the countryside. She from the valley, probably spend all of her daddy's money. Why? She gon' put it on her face, and she burning on the side. Instagram model status. She was born up in July. After party 80s,
release it. We're gonna do another second.
She went out to Coachella and when it wrecks
Okay, let's see what the heck. 30? What the heck? Is it not? No way. Can't be 30. Alright, we're gonna try again. That can't be right. What the fudge? We have 30. Alright, we're gonna do a wet test now. We're gonna hold the gas and then we're gonna start it. Okay. We're gonna hold the gas and essentially flood the engine and see how it performs. So in this first cylinder or fourth cylinder, we got 30 in compression, which is not good at all. I mean, not good at all. We held on gas and we still got 30. I am not liking these results at all. Here we got 88, 88, not good at all. Hi everybody, thank you for watching. This is the end section, and unfortunately I couldn't finish recording the last two cylinders. It got very cold, my camera died, and then I had to go somewhere. So with the numbers, we got 90, 90, 90, and 30. In the next episode, I will perform a leak down test to further diagnose the engine to see if the engine is runnable or not. I got a 90, 90, 90, 30 compression. So leak down test will either show me if there's bent valves or a leak in the exhaust valves or if there's bubbles in the coolant. Unfortunately, the car has not been running, so it's going to be a little challenging to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, comment for any more type of content, and I'm hoping to be pushing more videos in production.